In this application case, we use the SinceVision SH6 series high-speed camera to reveal a moment too fast for the human eye to see. At 1,000 frames per second, the camera captures the exact instant a pigeon takes flight. Every wing beat, every micro movement, preserved in the stunning detail. This slow-motion footage provides valuable insights for biological behavior studies. Researchers can analyze the aerodynamic characteristics of birds during the critical start of flight, supporting breakthroughs in bionic design and biomechanics research. Across the full product lineup, SinceVision high-speed cameras offer a wide range of resolutions and frame rates, adaptable for different scientific and industrial environments. With multiple trigger modes, they ensure precise capture of even the most unpredictable moments. This is how high-speed imaging transforms a simple takeoff into meaningful scientific data.